Hello everyone, as you can see I got a new package today and this one is a big one and I've been waiting for this for a long time actually. Weverse shop shipped this like super late, so it's fine. Let me just go ahead and open it. So as you can see, these are my TXT albums. And I forgot they came with posters, so let me just show you the posters. So this one is the first one. These are really big, so they probably won't fit in the frame. And I got 2 of each, so look at this one. This one is a cute one. Oh, this one it's vertical poster. Interesting. Okay, so they are here. I ordered from Weverse shop because they had priority benefits. I ordered 1 set and 3 random ones. And I think this one is a set, so let me do the set first. I am loving this. It's just a question mark. Why? I have not seen any unboxings of this, so I have no idea what they have inside or how it looks like. But let me zoom in a little bit and let's find out. So, oh, it opens like this. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh, wow, look at this. And you have the 3 versions inside. Look how cute. It said it came with like photos, never released, so I think these are the photos. So I'm not sure. I think this might be it, just the pictures. I don't think it comes with anything else, but yeah, it's cute. I was gonna buy doubles anyways, but it's a really cute box. And it comes with this one, and this one. So I don't know which one is first. I think R is first, which is this one, and later I think it's AR and VR. So I'm going to open version R first. Okay, so everything is out, and this is the cover. I forgot there were random postcards. Okay, I got Hyun and Kai. Look at him, look how cute, look at his bracelet. It looks so cute. And it comes with stickers. Okay, so this one, and then this one. And it comes with these. So okay, let me look at this one. These are like the lyrics. And it has this little booklet that I think is like a flip booklet. This Yeonjun picture is iconic, let me tell you. But yeah. Oh, cutie. Okay. And there's more pictures on the other side from the other members. Beautiful. So, let me take my photocard out. Okay, so I took the photocard out, and then let me just flip through the photo book. So I normally don't talk in photo books, but in this one I think I'm going to talk because this is my favorite concept. Look at these for like all of the pictures here are so cute and iconic. Look, Jeonjun in crop top. Like, how could you not? Look at this. Oh my god. So if you don't know, I collect Jeonjun. He's my bias. And my bias record, it's Suing. So if I pull Suing, I tend to keep Suing. Oh, look at him. So I think for this album, I'm going to collect both Jeonjun and Suing. So wish me luck. I love these happy faces. Taehyun looks super good in blonde. I wonder when his Hyunin Kai going to have like a different color hair. He's a baby. Oh, look at Bongyu. I think Bongyu's like dark hair, it suits him so well. Because when he debuted, he had like a blonde one, and I don't know, I didn't really like it. And Jeonjun, to be honest, he looks good in everything. And not because he's just my bias, or maybe because he's my bias, but yeah. Look at this. Oh my god, so cute. That's it. Here's the CD. It's a cute color. And now let's look at my photo card. So I think we have the Weverse shop code thing. Yeah, it's this one. So here it is. I won't show it because I haven't scanned it. And let's look at my photo card. So I got 1, 2, 3. Got 10. Oh my god. So cute. I low-key wanna collect LT5 for this version. But let's see how we do it. But yeah, we have Taehyun and Hyunin Kai. So let me go ahead and open another version. Okay, so we have the next version, which is this one. And let me go ahead and open it. Okay, so everything's out, and I won't spoil the postcard again, which is this one. I won't spoil it. And these are the stickers, right? I think the stickers are the same. Yeah, they look pretty much the same. And which one's the lyrics? So these are the lyrics, the same. And let's do the flip book. Are these different? Oh, they are different pictures. Interesting. These are like another concept, kind of. Not as colorful. It's more serious concept in these pictures. And oh, it's dirty for some reason. So let me go ahead and take the photo card out. And I think that's it. I think that was it. So let me just flip through the photo book. Oh, so this is a different concept. Like I said, it's not as playful, it's more colorful one. Wow, interesting. here's the CD. The pictures kind of remind me of drama because they are more like school uniform, school related. But yeah, so let me do the postcard. For the postcard, let's see who I get. So for the postcard, I got Subini. Oh my god, I got Subini, so I think I'm gonna keep this one. So cute. Okay, let's see whose photocard I got. So this is the Weverse code. For the photocard, I got 1, 2. Oh, Yeonjuni, yay! So I got Yeonjuni. So this album, I do not have to try anything for it, so that's great. Okay, now let me open the other version. Okay, so I have the last version for this one. This one comes with a transparent card, so it doesn't really come with I opened it with the other cards. It doesn't really come with a selfie card, so let me get the postcard, put it aside. Let's put it here, and let's look at the stickers. Same stickers. I'm probably going to use some of them because why not, right? Lyrics, more lyrics. The flipbook book. Let's see what kind of concept this is. Oh wow, this is totally different. Ooh, I think I like this one more than the second version concept. It's not like school concept. Oh yes, definitely like it more than the second version. Yeah, it's not like a school concept. It's more like, I don't know, serious, cool guys. So the first one is like a playful one. This one is more serious. Like, I'm trying to be cool in here. Look at this. Look at this Jeonjun. Oh my goodness. Like, how? But yeah. Oh yeah, let me get the photocard out. I wonder why they put the photocard in the last page. Let's look through the photo book. Oh wow, I like this concept too. More serious, more cool guys. Oh my god, I like this. Look at Subi, he has like a flower crown. Oh, look at Jeonjun. Okay, this, I might like this one more than the first one, to be honest. Oh my god, they have feathers, they have glitter. Oh my god, I really like it. Wow. Oh, cuties. Oh yeah, I didn't show the CD. Here's the CD. She's like pink. Okay, let's look at the postcard. Let's see, 1, 2. Yay, I got Jeonjuni. So I don't have to trade for the postcards, which is great. I only, because they're big. And let's look at the photo card. So let's get this one out. Okay. And I'll keep it because this is a transparent card, so I'll need it to put it in the background. So let's see who I get. And I got 1, 2. I got Kyun and Kai. These are interesting cards. Yeah, I got Hyun and Kai, which is fine. I haven't pulled Bongyu. I usually pull Bongyu a lot, so I guess he didn't want to appear in this unboxing. But yeah. Okay, so those were the CDs from the set I got from Weverse shop, but I got 3 more random that have other pre-order benefits. And let's see. I'm quite nervous for the pre-order benefits, which are these. So I think, should I do the pre-order benefits first? It's a random member card, so let me do one. Depends who I pull. I'll see if I keep doing dollars. So let's see who I got for this pre-order benefits. So 1, 2. Oh my god. Okay. I'm not as nervous anymore because I got Jeonjun, I got my bias. Oh my god. Okay. So it comes with these stickers, which are like supposedly to decorate your phone or something like that. And it comes with a random member clear card. And as you can see, I got my bias Jeonjun, which I'm so happy. I can't stop worrying now because since I ordered 3, I was so scared I wouldn't get Jeonjun for the pre-order benefit. Because TXT is really hard to trade for, especially Jeonjun. But yeah. Well, I guess I can show the other members. So I got Jeonjun for this one. Let's look at this one. For this one, let's see who I get. So 1, 2. I got Bongyu. Oh my god. So let me take me out of here so you can see. So Bongyu, I don't know. He gives me Taehyun. So I mean V from BTS Vibes. I feel like he's gonna wreck me way more than I want to. He's already wrecking me, but I feel he's going to wreck me way more. But yeah, I got Bongyu. And let's look at my last pre-order benefit. Random member card. So 1, 2. I got Hyunin Kai. I pulled a lot of Hyunin Kais. So I did not put Subin, which is my bias record. But it's fine. I mainly wanted Jeonjun, so it's fine. Let's see if I can maybe try Kai for Subin. That might be hard because, to be honest, Hyunin Kai is not the most popular member. Because I really want to keep Bongyu. But if I can find a trade, that would be awesome. Or I also feel like I'm probably going to sell him. But I don't know yet. But here are my pre-order benefit cards. They look so cute. Let me put them here. And in this extra copy, I'm just gonna show you my pulls. So let me move everything on frame. Okay, I think everything's kind of on frame. And you can see the shadows because it's really dark. Because DHL comes to my house like at 8 PM. But it's fine. So I'll begin with this one, which I think is a clear card one. I think. So okay, so it's out. Yeah, let's check the postcard. So I got Souvenir. Oh my god. To be honest, this is my favorite postcard. I like it more than Jeonjun's, and I really wanted this postcard, and I can't believe I pulled my top 2 in postcards. Wow. And it comes with this, and yeah. Let me now just check the photo card, which is here. So, oh. So as you can see, I got Bongyu. Oh my god. So I need Jeonjun's Subin's maybe for this one. And I don't want to trade Bongyu though. I have a problem. I kind of want to keep Bongyu, but I sadly have to trade him off. So I need to trade my Kai and my Bongyu for Subin and Jeonjun, which is totally fine. I prefer trading these clear cards than the postcards. And that's it for this version. So now let me open the other one. Let me do this pink one because I already pulled Jonjun's photocard, so I'm not as nervous. Okay, let's do the postcard. So I have Suin, so I need Jonjun's postcard. So please be Jonjun, please be Jonjun. Let's manifest Jonjun. So 1, 2. Oh, it's fine, it's fine. I got Taehyuni. It's fine. It's fine. I can hopefully I can trade Taehyuni for Jonjun. Now let's look at the photo card. Where is the photo card at? Oh. Oh, the photo card is right here. So let's check the photo card. So I already have Jonjun, so I would prefer Subin. So if I can get Subin, that would be awesome. But yeah, let's check. So 1, 2. Oh, I got Kai. I'm feeling like every member. Like, wow. I'm feeling like every single member. Okay. Let's see if I can trade that Kai for Subin. And let's do this one for last. Okay, for this version I need Jonjun for both things, so hopefully I can get at least him in one, but I would want him to get both things, Jonjun. But yeah, let's just check. Let's check the postcard. So 1, 2. Oh my god, I got a dupe. No, I got a Hyunkai dupe. Oh no. Now let's look at the photo card. So the photo card is here. Okay, let's check. Hopefully it's not a dupe photo card. Please be different. Let's just check. 1, 2. How did I get exactly the same pools? And they were different. Wow. So that's pretty much it. I'm so sad that I got a dupe album for this one. Hopefully I can trade for Jonjun and Subin. But yeah. But at least I got different members for the other photocards, and yeah, I'm happy at least I pulled one Jonjun photocard and one Jonjun postcard. And his periodic card, to be honest, the periodic card is the biggest achievement for me. And the other ones, I think I have to do a lot of trading, especially for the postcards. I will be getting the Target version, and it says it comes with one exclusive photocard, and I have no idea if it's like a group photocard or if it's gonna be another selfie photocard, or I don't know. But yeah, I'm probably gonna get that CD in 2 days, so I'll probably put it with this TXT unboxing and show you my pulls from there. Hello everyone, so Target was doing the deal again, buy 2 get 1 free, so guess what? Yes, I did this. So he brought them from the back, but they're kind of open, but hopefully everything's inside, because if it's missing something, I'm going to return them. Surprising, this one has the Comcast sticker, which is the Korean version, and yeah, I wonder why they have the Korean stickers. So this one is kind of damaged, as you can see, but I didn't really want to bother the dude at Target, so I was like, hey, just give it to me. So let's check the exclusive Target photocard, and it's a group one. It's pretty cute. It's gonna look cute in the binder. So yeah, I don't have any problems with it. Let's check the postcard. So let's see. So I really need Jeonjun. So let's see. I got Taehyun. So it's been a little bit difficult to trade for Jeonjun, but hopefully I can trade for Jeonjun. Now let's look at the photocard. Where is the photocard at? So it should be in here. Here's the Weverse shop code, and the photocard is here. So let's just check. 1, 2. Oh my god, I got Taehyun again. This is my third Taehyun. Wow, I don't know what to do with 3 Taehyuns. He's a little bit difficult to trade for, so... Oh, it comes with a folder poster. Interesting, I didn't know that. Okay, so let me put everything back and open the other R version that I got. Okay, I put my other copy in back, so now I have this one and this one. Let me just open. I was gonna open the pink one, but let me just open this one. So one was on display, which is this one. I got this one, the one on display. But the other one was from the back, that's why it was all like broken. But hopefully this one is different members, because I really need a different member, because 3 Taehyun photocards. So let's go ahead and open it. So the group photocard should be the same. Yes, it's exactly the same. So I'll probably give it to my friend, because I don't need 2 of the same. Let's look at the postcard. Please be Jeonjun. I really need Jeonjun. Oh, I got Subin. The thing is that I'm collecting Subin, so I'm keeping this one. So, but it's gonna be super difficult to trade Taehyun or my other Hyun and Kai for Jeonjun. So probably we'll have to trade this Subin, which is making me sad. But yeah. So, oh, it comes with the same folder poster. Let me check the photocard then. Oh, the photocard is here. So let's just check. 1, 2. Oh my god, Subin, yes. Okay, not Jeonjun, but at least I have Subin, which is my favorite photocard. And he's a little bit hard to trade for too. Subin and Jeonjun are hard to trade. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't think it comes with anything else. Now let's open this version. Okay, so let's open this version. He brought it from the back too, so it's like ripped and a little bit bent. Yeah. So for this one, I already have Jeonjun, so I need Subin's photocard, and I need Jeonjun's postcard. So please let me get someone I need. So let's do the postcard. So I need Jeonjun, and I already have Subin. Actually, I pulled Subin's whole set. Wow. But yeah, I need Jeonjun. So please be Jeonjun. 1, 2. Ah, yes. Yes. Okay, I'm happy. I only have to trade for one of his, or probably buy it, because he's hard to trade for. Okay, let's do the photocard. Okay. So 1, 2. Oh my god, Bongyu. Oh, I want to keep this photocard. So Bongyu is my third bias. I wanted to collect OT5 set for our version, but I think I might just do an OT5 combined with 2 versions, since I already have Hyun and Kai for this version. So I basically need my Jeonjun photocard for version R and his ID thingy. I didn't buy the ID CD because I don't know, I feel like it's gonna be easier for me to find his ID card for sale, so I don't have to buy another copy. But at least I got his postcard, which those are a pain to trade for. But oh my god, look at these photo cards, cute. Okay, great. But the fact that I ended up with 3 of these Taehyuns, And tomorrow I'm getting another copy that I pre-ordered a long time ago. So it's another art copy. So let's wish for Jeonjun in both photocard and postcards. And yeah. Hello everyone, this is the last installment of this TXT haul. And sorry for the bad quality, but I got this package and I didn't have time to open it until late at night. But yeah, I'm gonna open it right now because I cannot wait for tomorrow. This is my last copy from Target. So this is a Target exclusive. So I'm trying to collect OT5 for this version, the art version. And I'm missing Jeonjun's photocard. Like, please, I really need Jeonjun's photocard. I pulled Taehyun 3 times and Subin once. So please, I really need Jeonjun. So this copy came broken, as you can see. Oh, Target. When we actually receive something that is not broken. Here's the group photocard. So for the postcard, I already have something, and I found a tray for Jeonjun, but I wouldn't mind pulling another Jeonjun, just to be honest. But let's see who I get. 1, 2. Oh my god, another Huninkai. This is my 3rd Huninkai. I mean, I traded 1 already, but wow. Okay, please, photocard. I really need Jeonjun's photocard. Okay, it's facing down. Okay, 1, 2. Oh my god. This is the 4th Taehyun photocard I pull. Are you serious? I can't believe it. So I probably need to buy Yeonjun's photocard. How sad. But yeah, this was my unboxing for TXT. And yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you liked this whole haul. Bye.